Hi friends, this is the activity video that goes along with our first version of the Little Red Hen, this big book. For today, we're going to be making a story map. You're going to need a piece of paper, something to write with, and something to color with if you have it. Before we start, we're going to be folding your paper a little bit so we have some different spots for our story map. So with your paper, the first thing that you're going to do is turn it sideways like this. We're going to fold it in half. Pinch, 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 pinch. Crease it a little bit, turn it sideways again, fold in half. Pinch, 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 couple of creases. And then when you open your paper up, you should have 4 rectangles on your paper like this. The next thing that we're going to do to set up your story map is with your pencil or a marker, whatever you're using at home, we're going to trace over those crease lines like this so we can see where our 4 boxes are, and it kind of looks like we're making a giant lowercase t on our paper. Okay, so go ahead and do that now. Trace over your lines. It doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. And then the next thing that we're going to be doing is labeling each of these boxes. This first box here, you're going to be writing the word characters. C, H, A, R, A, C, T, E, R, and then I'm going to make a little line under mine. Go ahead and write characters in your first box. All right, in the second box, we're going to be writing the word setting. S, E, T, T, I, N, G, and then you can draw a little line underneath. Go ahead and write setting in your second box. In our third box, we're going to be writing problem, P, R, O, B, L, E, M, little line underneath. Go ahead and write problem in your third box. And our last box is going to say solution, S, O, L, U, T, I, O, N. Go ahead and write solution in your last box. All right. For today's activity in your story map, you have a couple of different choices. You can either choose to draw a picture for each of the 4 things, or you can choose to draw a picture and add a little bit of writing. The writing can either be labeling your picture or adding a short sentence to describe what you're trying to show in your picture. A short sentence is probably best for problem and solution, and labels are probably best for character and setting. In this book, The Little Red Hen, we had 4 characters. So be sure that you include all 4 characters in your picture for the character. In the setting, you really only have one choice today for the setting. The whole story takes place mostly in one spot. So try to think of where they are in this story here. For the problem today, we noticed that the Little Red Hen kept asking her friends if they would help, and they keep giving her the same answer. So see if you can find a way to show that in your picture or write a short sentence about it. And lastly, the solution in this book talks about the very end. At the end, when the Little Red Hen has her bread, think about whether or not she shared with her friends. And for that solution picture, you can draw a picture of it and you can write a short sentence if you would like. If you would like to share your story maps with the teachers, we would love to see it and we will send you a compliment.